artistic family, to another adventure. Those of you who are new, thank you for stopping by. This is just a quick video, guys. If you watched my last video of Nebula, which is what I called it, I tend to do a lot of universe pours unintentionally, but you can somewhat see the color shift here in the paintings and their painting. And what I have here is this Dragonfly Glaze. It is full spectrum, so all those yummy colors that you see there, colors of the rainbow. Great way to enhance your pours or to add some extra shimmer or lustrous. So let's go ahead and get going. So I'm just going to pour a bit right there. I've just dampened my 1-inch foam brush, okay, just a bit. Okay, and I'm just going to do this side and then add more, just so it doesn't set up too much. I'm not worried about the sides. Okay, this is more for a tester. I've had it for quite some time, and I really wanted to see what it would look like on a colorful pour. And those of you who are part of the artistic family know that most of my pours are neutral metallics. And so it's been a while since I got to a super colorful pour that I thought this would look great on. Now, that being said, guys, I would also love you guys to hit that subscribe button, share, and definitely comment. It helps the algorithms. It allows me to engage with you guys, which I love to do. And it also lets me know what you guys like, so I can continue to do more. So now that I've just spread that on, I'm just lightly going back over the top. Okay. And then I'm going to let this dry. It says 2 to 3 coats, so it depends on really your taste. But I can see the sparkle already. Okay, I can see it. And you guys know how much I love my shimmer. Three coats is what I put on this. Okay, and I'm trying to adjust my light as best as I can for you guys to see, unfortunately. But you can clearly see all that sparkle. Okay, and the added shimmer. Oh yeah, you can see it. See that sparkling throughout. However, I must say that it's different than what I thought in my head. I thought that, you know, even though I know what a glaze is and that this is a thin coat that goes over top, I just thought that the reflective aspects of the mica, the glitter that I see in here, and those specks would be more concentrated, like more saturated throughout. It just seems like I sprinkled some glitter over the top. So I guess the look that I was looking for isn't what I expected, but it certainly does add more shimmer, okay, and some interest to your pours. So I would definitely probably put another couple coats, but I'm going to try it again just to test it out. I'm sure the colors are a factor, but it's just that the look over the top is different than what I expected the sparkle to look, but super cool nonetheless. So thank you guys for coming along for this quick test, and I'll see you all in the next pour.